Hey y'all, so today driving home from work, picked up some debris on the road, wrapped it around my drive shaft, wrapped it around the pinion yoke, wrapped it around the transfer case yoke. I got lucky that all I did was damage the pinion seal. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we replace this. Basically, I'm just going to talk you through quick steps, quick garage way of doing it. That's how I learned how to do it. It's been working so far. So we start by unbolting the drive shaft. After you guys cut the majority of the rope out of the way, or whatever, if you're in my case, have something wrapped around it. If you're just doing a pinion seal, you just undo the drive shaft off the rear end. Then you mark your yoke, you mark your axle, and then you start disassembly. Let me get down here and show you. Alright, so kind of hard to see, but I marked the nut here, marked the yoke here, then I marked the rear end housing here. That way it's all straight. And I can't read it with the drive shaft's in my way, so sorry guys, it's so dark. What we'll do is take this off, yank it out, pull the yoke out. Now you want to make sure you mark the pinion shaft too. That way all this lines back up together. Take this, count how many threads are poking through the nut. I'm at 3 threads here. And then you disassemble this. Then you pry the seal out. Tap the new seal in square. Make sure you use a socket, piece of pipe, or something else to make sure it's all squares up. Then run your nut back on. You want to make sure your thread count is the same as it was before. You want to make sure your nut stops where it lines up with the yoke, where it lines up with the housing, and the pinion shaft. And that's a quick tutorial on how to do a pinion seal. Let's see, let me show you guys this. This is what was wrapped around my drive line. So, quick and easy. 2-minute how I did it, without showing you guys the full teardown and boring you guys. So here's the final debris of what was underneath there. This was wrapped inside the seal. So is this up against the bearing for the pinion. This is the actual seal itself that got mangled and ripped out. And there's the seal housing. In my case, that's why mine was leaking, but these leak after a while too. Like I said, all of maybe an hour's worth of work. And that's me taking my time and trying to clean things and make sure everything goes back spot on. So y'all, that's how I did my pinion seal. Quick, couple-minute tutorial. Fairly straightforward, fairly easy to do. Front pinion seals the same way. As long as you guys don't actually pull the gear sets apart, you shouldn't have to worry about all your backlash from what I've read. Don't quote me on that, I'm not an expert. I just know what's been working for me with the past couple pinion seals I've done. So, thanks for watching. God bless.